Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So we're going to kick off the holiday season with this review of Entity gel polishes and acrylics. So this company did reach out to me on Instagram to see if I was interested in reviewing their new Winter In Vail collection. I'm so glad I said yes because I was blown away by, number one, the packaging and the amount of product that you get. So their collection is called Winter In Vail, and you do get 6 of the polishes. They're 15 milliliters. The colors are stunning. I'm going to say right off the bat, I was impressed with the color selection. I was like, wow, this is really cool. And then I'm like, okay, so let's hope. Packaging's great. Let's just hope that this product performs. And in the second box, they had sent me 6 of the acrylic dip powders. So you can use these as acrylic or dip, and I prefer acrylic. Nothing wrong with dip, but I'm not a fan. So I'm gonna go through these and show you some of the colors here. Now there was one printing error I noticed. So on Cozy and Chic, that same label was also on the color Bring on the Snow. So it's right here. It's like a gray, so no big deal, just a little printer error. So now we're going to swatch the gel polishes, and I have to say they are very gorgeous. I was really impressed with the formula. They were very opaque. So I'm gonna let this run and then we'll get into the acrylics. And so these are the acrylic dip powders. They come in 1.5 ounces, and I'm using them as acrylic and with the Kiara Sky monomer. Now there was some marbling with this particular color called Bring on the Snow, but it is highly pigmented and sometimes that does happen. Now I love myself a good glitter acrylic, but this, my goodness, those glitters flew everywhere, as you can see. It looked like it was snowing. If you could grind up Christmas tree tinsel, this would be it. So I'm not complaining because this was absolutely stunning and probably the most beautiful silver that I have ever used. Picking a favorite color would be very difficult with this collection because I love all of them. But this teal, oh my Lord, this teal and that silver, like together, whew, I am just blown away. So let me just say that if you're looking to add to your collection, or if you're brand new to acrylic nails and you just want to start out with something small, not too high-end, not too pricey, this is for you. These acrylics are very beginner friendly. They are self-leveling and you can't beat the price point. So I recommend you give them a try.